are we paying for the KVD brand when we pay for makeup? Is the product worth it for you to spend $20 more? Am I lying? $28 more in order to purchase the KVD. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mope, and today we're going to be doing a versus video. I have here with me the Good Apple Foundation by KVD Beauty, and I have here with me the MILANI Cream to Powder Foundation as well. So these two foundations, we are going to be trying to figure out which is what and what is which. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face right now with the Milk Makeup Primer. It is typically what I use when I am using my foundation, especially if, you know, they're not hydrating foundations, then I would definitely use my Milk Makeup. Okay, so this is my go-to, so if anything happens, it's not my primer. Okay, by the way, so the KVD Good Apple, I am in shade 78, so that's tan 078. I do think it's a bit dark, but it's okay, we can make it work. Okay, it's like a clear difference. It's very much so full coverage, so I'm covered. I am so covered. I have here the MILANI Cream to Powder Foundation, so I'm going to be using this one in the shade 288. I do notice off the bat, this one is a lot like, it's thicker. I feel like the KVD is definitely easy to glide through than the MILANI. The MILANI is like, I mean, I guess that's what cream to powder is. Like, I feel like you gotta hurry up with it once you apply it to your face. I do think that this is a better match for me though, would be the MILANI for sure. I like it. I like both of them right now. I do, which one is like more full coverage, to be honest? They're both full coverage. I think the shade match, this one is definitely giving me a lot better shade than this is, but okay, let's not worry about the shade match too much. Okay, let's focus so much more about the finish. Okay, for somebody who has like textured skin, I love both of them. I really love both of them. I really love both of them. And this is the Ordinary in the color, in the shade 3.2Y. The Ordinary is definitely full coverage. I do have here the Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer in the color Deep, so I will be using that to bronze my face. First of all, it's so like creamy and pigmented that I just want to be very careful before I hurt myself in the process. Okay, literally like a little goes a long way for sure with that bronzer. It's an amazing bronzer. Like, it's definitely, you will get your money's worth for sure with this bronzer. So let's go ahead and set everything. All right, guys, so we are done for now. Okay, everything looks really good. It's definitely all for sure full coverage. I feel like, I mean, I can tell the difference as far as the shade. Obviously, that's the only difference I could tell, but so far they're both amazing. Like, I'm trying to figure out what the difference is between both of them, and I can't for now. I can't for now because everything still looks amazing. Like, seriously good. I'm telling you, I feel like something about me and medium to full coverage foundations, they get me going. The concealer, definitely full coverage. The only thing that I have left to put on is my mascara, and I'll be right back in a few hours to show you guys what my face looks like. Okay, all right, I am back. Okay, it has been, what is it? It's 5:30, so it's been 5 hours now that I've been wearing this beautiful makeup. Okay. Honestly, I feel like I can go a couple of more hours. Like, I ain't never going front, y'all. I was looking in the mirror before I turned on the camera, and when I tell you I have not touched up anything, I did put this red lip on because I have to record a video, but I have not, I have not touched it. I have not done anything. In fact, like, there was a splatter of like soap when I was cleaning the dishes or whatever that like hit me right here, and I don't even see it. I gently removed it, but either way, like, I didn't add any powder, I didn't add anything, nothing makeup has touched my face since I left you guys. So the KVD foundation is $38, the MILANI is $10.99, and sis, Says, where's the difference? So this was right here. This was my KVD side. This is my Milani side. Let me know if you see a difference, because I clearly can't see one, but maybe I'm, maybe I, what I'm saying, maybe I just can't see it for real. Maybe you guys can see it better. Interesting enough, you know what's funny? This side, which is the Milani side, is a lot more matte than this side. When I say that, I mean like, okay, so this KVD side, right, is dewy, right? So it's starting to get dewy, and usually it's right here and like right here. Does it make sense? All of this side right here, I can see the shine coming through. Right here where I'll wait. Like, I mean, apart from like right, around my nose or my nose, those things are normal. I'm not really focusing on that. I'm focusing on everything else, okay? I do want to say that they're both very much so full coverage. I'm not even gonna front, like, they are chef kiss. If you want to go with the good apple, you sure can. Okay, sis, if you want to go with the Milani, go ahead and do you too. And this is me being super picky, but the Milani side is starting to, right here, I can see like a little crack in my smile lines compared to the KVD side. I don't see that at all. To be honest, I don't see any significant amount of difference for me to be like, yes, go and buy the KVD one because that's better. Like, I don't see that. I also see it as they're both pretty even across the board, which is just like confusing, because I'm like, are we paying for the KVD brand when we pay for makeup? Is the product worth it for you to spend $20 more? Am I lying? $28 more in order to purchase the KVD. There are 22 shades when it comes to the Milani foundation, and then when it comes to the KVD, there's 40 shades, so you have more options to choose from with the KVD for sure. However, the only thing I would say is, like, try out the Milani. Go and see if you can find your shade. Get like, like that. That's why I be trying to tell people, like, get 3 shades. Get, get multiple shades. Buy all at once. Go home, try them on, see if they work for you. If they don't, return them back because they don't work for you. You know what I'm saying? But like, go and see if you can find your shade in Milani. If you can, save your coin, sis. Save your pocketbook. Okay? Yeah, so between this and this, on this side, this is the KVD. This is the Milani. You guys can tell me what you think, okay? Let me know for sure what you guys think about it, because I really was so excited to try this on today. Anyways, that brings us to the very end of this video. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below your thoughts are. Of course, I would love to know what you think about both of these foundations. Let me know which one you prefer from, from my face, from my skin. Do you prefer the Milani? Or even for you as well, do you prefer the Milani side or the KVD? I would love to know that down below. Don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you. Were you kind to yourself today? Were you kind to yourself? I'm just asking, were you kind to yourself on this here day? Okay, all right, let me know down below. I would love to know. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.